What are they
Here
doing?
we have a couple of geniuses in a BMW who
What are they-
decided to drive in the wrong direction
What
for
are they?
some reason.
What are they?
What are you doing, bro?
What are you doing? How is this? What?
I can't see a single reason that would justify this. This is unbelievably stupid.
Bro, you have to be missing a lot of brain cells. Why would you have, if anything, I'm sure people would just stop and let you turn the right way. You continuously going the wrong way, holding up traffic so you can turn the right way to get to where you need. Bro, that some of y'all, it's not even about what brand of car that you guys get. Some of y'all shouldn't just be allowed to fucking drive. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Ross back at again with another video. So I'm gonna check out best BMW fails and crashes from 2025. Not gonna lie to y'all, man. BMW drivers have become, I guess you can say, almost the new Mustang drivers now. Y'all not all the way there, but y'all starting to get there, especially with so many people just getting into the BMW platform, especially the M3s, the M4s. You don't see as many people with M5s and stuff like that, but you definitely see a lot more with M3s and M4s. And you see a lot of younger individuals in these cars. And guess what? If you're like 19 or 20, you're not thinking about trying to make sure you're as cautious as you are in this very expensive and very fast vehicle. What you're trying to do is you're trying to tune it up, you're trying to race people, you're trying to show out, and a lot of times you end up fucking up your car. But granted, you may not have even paid for it, your parents probably paid for it, whoever else, doesn't really matter, because at the end of the day, you'll just go ahead and get you a fucking another one. So we're gonna check this out. Should be an interesting one. Appreciate all love, support. Make sure y'all take care of yourselves in these vehicles, man. Don't put yourself in danger if you don't have to. Yep.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the brand new
Or they
video.
doing stuff like
We're
this.
watching a bunch of BMW fails, so get ready to see the
Yep.
absolute pinnacle of driving excellence in motion here. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this.
This is very dangerous. Very dangerous. They swimming through traffic. Oh, yep. Didn't see it. Yep.
This is what happens when the engine of a car has more cylinders than the driver has brain cells.
Yeah. Yeah, be careful.
In half a mile.
Nope, nope, nope. Boom. There we go.
Ooh, well, at least the airbag subscription hasn't expired yet. Bro is on his way to the European Mustangs convention.
Yep, losing control.
And
Boom.
into the palm position he goes. This is one of only 940 M2 manuals ever made. It's 949 now, I guess.
Damn.
This guy decided to wake up his inner Mustang and he
Yep.
got a reverse pole position there.
Could have been worse. Could have been worse, actually.
Hold it, M5, hold it. Oh, he touched the curb there. We saw it, buddy. Don't play it off. It's funny how BMW riders are nothing like BMW drivers, actually. So let me know in the comments what you think about that. And instead of pulling that handbrake there, he's about to pull the signature BMW move.
Oh my god.
You gotta see the first half, not gonna lie. Box, 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 box.
Oh,
And
oh
he
no!
goes to the pits, literally.
Oh, damn. And it looked like everybody was kind of, holding their own, but damn, you hate to see that. Jeez, man. Hopefully they're okay, though.
That's a cool M3 station wagon there.
Yeah, it is.
Power.
It is. You don't see too many of them.
And it quickly became the M3, if you know what I mean. These two decided after finishing the BMW's driving school to go for a little ride.
And one thing that people don't want to admit, a lot of y'all can't handle the car's power. Y'all just can't. Y'all think y'all can. You can't. You can't. Or you try to do too much, when trying to show out and stuff, you hadn't even really practiced it enough to even be trying to. Like, I just got a new, tune on my car, on my GT, actually. And actually, I'm working on a video to get that all situated so y'all can actually see the process and everything. But now with the new tune that I have, it's a CPC tune, unlocks all the torque available on the car, it scares me when I launch it. It scares me because I'm not used to it. So guess what? I try to practice launching it on empty roads, an empty straightaway, to kind of get an understanding, feel for the control of the car that it now has more power. I'm not sitting up here doing this in busy traffic areas knowing that I'm not used to this type of power. But, because it's my car, I assume that I can handle it. No, that's really what it be. People can't handle the power of their cars, and they think they can, and they end up fucking their shit up or fucking somebody else's shit up.
Brilliant. He followed every single step from the book, I see.
Oh, it's a little
This
tricky.
guy decided to
on
join
snow.
the search party
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Yep.
because apparently his driving skills are missing.
Yep.
The RS5 against the M4. I think we already know who's gonna go straight and who's gonna sleep on banana peel.
Oh my
But joke
God.
aside now, I think we should give some credits to this guy because it was on a racetrack and it was in a safe environment.
Yeah. But that, you hate to
We
see
are
that.
now on board the BMW not M2 because this is 240i, I believe. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Oh.
And whack!
Oh.
This guy's like, hold my beer because I'm about to show you how to drift.
And you
Or
lose.
am I?
Nope.
Well, that was a nice lesson of how not to do it. Our dashcam guy here just got his license and decided to go for a little ride on a Tail of the Dragon when he got a little surprise.
Oh!
In the form of a wild BMW M2.
Oh, man. And it was the person in the M2's fault. They turned too wide. They were in their lane. Yeah, bro. You gotta be careful on those type of winding roads because you never know who's gonna be coming around the corner, how fast, if they're gonna be in their lane or not, how much space you have. So you kind of gotta be careful with those type of situations. Beautiful M2, but now it's cooked. Jeez.
What an apocalyptic dingleberry. We are now in an empty parking lot with a couple of BMWs. What can go wrong, really?
Yeah, what could go wrong in an empty parking lot? Let's find out. Somehow
Anyways,
hit the
we are
ball.
moving on.
How?
Sir, excuse me. I don't think you can park there.
How does that happen?
That's an M5, and I'm wondering how he ended up
Oh,
there.
that looks like an
It
M5
rarely happens
comp.
to the BMWs.
Oh,
It's basically unheard of.
how?
It's always a good sign to see your driver move around like this in his seat. That's a sign that he's a pro. Or
No.
his rear end is itchy, I can tell right now. But, I mean, who drives like this? It's unbelievable.
Just
Let's
fucked up
check the
that
damage
shit.
now.
It's not as bad.
Dearie me. It's a shame for the car. This is an M3, I believe, maybe even possibly a competition model. I'm not sure.
Oh, damn.
It looks like he had a rendezvous with a pole position somewhere.
Oh, that's the wagon too.
I hear the beautiful sounds of forced induction, aka the turbos. That car really pulls.
Nah, it does. It's moving.
Oh,
Oh!
Bro's controller got disconnected there.
Whoa! How does that happen?
If you think this is just one of those videos where BMW goes full BMW and crashes, then you would be absolutely right.
It didn't even look like he was moving that fast. Okay, what the hell happened there? What is?
I think this guy just showed us the impact of using the Mustang module in your car.
Not the Mustang module. Oh no.
Це я сделал.
Jeez.
Контентик чисто
I
зашел.
heard this tends to happen when you don't top off your blinker fluid, but I might be wrong, I don't know. Here we have an M5 entering the highway like it's NASCAR.
And losing
His
it.
traction
Yep.
subscription expires, he goes into a spin and he
Oh.
hits the other guy.
Damn,
serious.
they tried to avoid it. They almost got away. The other car, they tried to avoid it as much as possible. They saw it, they recognized it, tried to move over, but it was a little bit too late. It's unfortunate, man.
Now I have no idea how he lost it there.
Yeah,
He
me
just
neither.
did.
Wait, what are they doing?
He's probably out there cheating. Meanwhile, the boys on a random side quest.
Did it stall?
Actually, this BMW is doing a pretty good job there. Power.
Oh.
Oh, come on, it almost made
Oh. They got stuck.
it. Don't you hate it when you just go out for a little ride and then out of nowhere a wild guardrail attacks you? It's so annoying.
Oh.
This was a nice army green M4.
Let's
And
see.
no
Oh, yep.
wonder
He was
everybody calls
speeding.
them Bavarian Mustang Borks.
Yeah, he was speeding. Bro, if it's slippery like that, just slow down, bro. Another slippery
And
conditions.
here's another M4 with
Look
a
like-
slight signs of usage, like barely there.
Jeez.
You can't even see it if you don't take a good look at it.
Beautiful spec, beautiful color too.
I
Okay.
wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo. Oh man, those banana peels. It's not like the solution problem here, it's the banana peels. E46, the ultimate showing off machine. Let's see what this very talented guy has for us. And like I said, into the ditch he goes.
Oh no.
What's with M4s today? Like, what is
Oh
going
yeah,
on?
that's total, bro. It's GG's. Just GG's. Luckily, people are able to walk away from these type of accidents, which shows how better they've gotten when it comes to safety features and stuff like that, which a lot of foreigns are pretty good when it comes to the safety features. The only problem is it's so expensive to repair these type of cars, especially when they get this type of damage. It's GG's. It's done. It's totaled out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
As I
man.
suspected. The pole position got him this time. It's not the other way around.
Damn.
And here we have a totally friendly BMW driver.
Bro, what?
He
What?
definitely didn't just reverse into another car on purpose.
What the fuck?
It was totally an accident.
Why would they do that?
Now
What?
we are once again in an E46. You can tell that by the air freshener there. And this is another masterclass of drifting.
He
Or
said,
going
haha.
full Tony Hawk.
What are they
Here
doing?
we have a couple of geniuses in a BMW who
What are they-
decided to drive in the wrong direction
What
for
are they?
some reason.
What are they?
What are you doing, bro?
What are you doing? How is this? What?
I can't see a single reason that would justify this. This is unbelievably stupid.
Bro, you have to be missing a lot of brain cells. Why would you have, if anything, I'm sure people would just stop and let you turn the right way. You continuously going the wrong way, holding up traffic so you can turn the right way to get to where you need. Bro, that some of y'all, it's not even about what brand of car that you guys get. Some of y'all shouldn't just be allowed to fucking drive. I'm dead ass, bro. Ride a bus, get on a train, ride a bike, scooter, something else. Hell, actually, no, I take that back. No, don't get on a scooter. Don't even get on a bike. Walk to where you gotta go, because this is just stupid. This is dumb.
Were you maybe sniffing the liquid arrogance again by any chance?
Bro, that's dumb as hell, bro. What?
Oh, what a surprise. Another M4. How he ended up there? He probably spun out up there on the street and then fell into this parking lot here.
Jeez.
This generation of X6 is known for many things, but off-roading is not one of them. But that's not gonna stop them from trying, I guess.
And they're stuck. Yep, you're stuck.
Well done.
You're not
Some
getting out
say
of that
they're
unless
still
you
there.
get a assist.
And if you're still not convinced in what I just said, then take a look at this. The proof is in the pudding.
Yeah. You gotta know what your vehicle's capable of, bro.
Anyways, guys, it's time to wrap up
Yeah,
this video. I think
yep.
it's enough of driving excellence for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's BMW special episode. And if you did, please smack that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already.
Beautiful color,
so,
too.
Yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.
Hey, man, some of y'all just don't deserve vehicles. I'm just keep it a buck. Some of y'all just don't deserve vehicles. But hey, comment down below. Let me know some other car-related videos y'all want me to check out. I definitely will. Appreciate all love, support. Road to 20K. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.